Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remote start a Kia Sportage. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is a Kia Sportage and this is the key fob for the Kia Sportage. Now if you look, there are just basically two buttons that you need to be aware of. The first button is the lock button up over here, and the second button is the remote start button over here. What we're going to do is very simple. We're going to lock it, and then we're going to hold down this remote start button, and the vehicle should remote start or auto start, depending on what you want to call it. So I'm going to lock it, and I just pushed it twice just to be safe, and then I'm going to hold this button down, and there it is. The vehicle has indeed remote started. You saw the lights indicate, you hear the engine. It is literally that simple. So once again, the process is really simple. All that you have to do is make sure the vehicle is locked, and I pressed it twice just to be safe, and then hold down this remote start button over here, and the vehicle should engage the remote starter, which will start the engine. And as you saw, the lights flashed, so you knew it started, and you can hear the engine, so you know that it started as well. And it's literally that simple. I mean, it's literally that simple. And this is a newer Kia Sportage, so I used this one to demonstrate. As far as I know, the old Kia Sportages, if they have a remote start feature as well, are probably going to be very similar with regards to remote starting them. So yeah, that's how to remote start a Kia Sportage. An easy tutorial. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.